Good morning. This is from section 8.3. I'm doing number 2, and it asks to determine the type of number of solutions and how many solutions exist. So first I need to use this to figure out what I need to go in here, figure out my A, my B, and my C. And then I need to plug it into this equation. My A is 1, my B, I don't have a B, so it's 0, and my C is minus 7. So I plug it into here. So I have B squared, which is 0, minus 4 times A times C. 0 squared is 0, minus 4 times 1 is 4, negative 4 times negative 7 is positive 28. So the answer is 28. And it's a positive, so that means it has 2 real solutions. Okay, number 14, we're going to do the same thing. My A is 4, my B is negative 12, and my C is 9. So we're going to plug in to this. So B squared is minus 12 squared minus 4 times A times C. Negative 12 squared is 144. Sorry. And then I have 4 times 4 is 16 times 9 is 144. And it's negative. So we have 0 is our answer. So if our answer is 0, there is only one real solution. Oops. Okay, number 34. This gives us, we need to write an equation from these solutions. So these are our solutions. So to write an equation, we need to set each one to 0. So x equals negative 2 and x equals negative 5. So we need to add 2 to both sides. So this ends up x plus 2 equals 0. On this one, we need to add 5 to both sides. So x plus 5 equals 0. We take this one and this one and we multiply them together. So we have x plus 2 times x plus 5. X times x is x squared plus 5x plus 2x plus 10. Combine like terms, x squared plus 7x plus 10 equals 0. And that is our equation. Okay, number 42 is basically the same thing that we just did. We need to make an equation. So set each one of these to 0. X equals negative square root of 7. So x, add the square root of 7 to both sides. X plus the square root of 7 equals 0. And we have the opposite here. So x equals square root of 7. We need to subtract that from both sides. So it ends up being x minus the square root of 7 equals 0. Oh, no, that's not that. Okay. Oops, I did that wrong. Sorry. Equals 0 equals 0. So now we need to take this and multiply them together. So we have x plus the square root of 7 and x minus the square root of 7 equals 0. X times x is x squared. Multiplying this, and then this is going to cancel each other out. So then it'll equal minus the square root of 49 equals 0. So x squared, the square root of 49 is 7. So it'll be 7 equals 0. And this is our answer. x squared minus 7 equals 0.